All right, dividing using long division, which typically we'd only use if the divisor has a number in front of the x, because otherwise you'd use synthetic division, right? So that's what the example in the test is going to be like. So we write our dividend, the number we're dividing, in standard form. If there's any missing terms, we fill those in with a 0. This one doesn't, and neither does the one on the test. And then we have our 2x plus 3. I'm going to try to move all that down. All right, and then remember we have our what we write and then what we think. If you don't want to write all the thinking part, that's okay. But I'm going to start with my first two terms. I'm going to do 2x cubed divided by 2x, and I get 1x squared. So I'm going to write that over here, over the x squared. And then I'm going to multiply or distribute that times the 2x plus 3. So that gets distributed and written over here. So I get 2x cubed plus 3x squared. And remember, it's a minus, so we don't just change the first one, we have to change all of them. That cancels, that was our goal. Ooh, this one's fun. This one cancels also. So since we've got a 0x squared, what we've got here is we've got 0x squared divided by 2x is just 0x, right? Or just 0. So we're just going to write that 0x. And we could multiply it all out, but we don't need to. We're just going to bring down the next column. So now we have negative 2x divided by 2x. See where I got those? So negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. So we're going to put that up here over the ones. And then we're going to distribute. And we get negative 2x minus 3. It's subtractions though, so we change all the signs. This one cancels. This one happens to cancel also. So bring down a 0 and there's no remainder. If there was a remainder, we would take this number and we'd put it over the 2x plus 3.